One of the most widespread effects of climate change is sea level rise. Due to a variety of factors, including glacial melting and thermal seawater expansion, the sea level is rising at an alarming rate. Many coastal areas across the globe are threatened by flood and storms that they are no longer prepared for because of the higher sea level. One of the most vulnerable places is southern Asia, around Bangladesh, specifically the southern coastal area of Bangladesh. The reason this area is so vulnerable is due to the low-lying land, as well as the lack of development as a country. The future in terms of environmental change is very clear. Sea level will continue to rise, unless climate change as a whole is unrealistically and abruptly stopped. Due to the impending environmental change, communities will be forced to adapt. If they don't, many towns and cities can be wiped out from flooding. The people will be forced to migrate away from the coast if they don't do anything in response to this change. Luckily, solutions are not only available, but proven to be effective and easily doable. Solutions such as levees and flood walls can provide a strong and secure defense. Places like the Netherlands have used these methods to protect almost the entire country from flooding. By far, the biggest setback will be the cost and difficulty of implementing such defenses in underdeveloped countries. As mentioned by the Fourth National Climate Assessment, quote, these analysis and implementation of coastal adaptation toward climate-resilient and sustainable coasts has progressed in more significantly in developed countries than in developing countries. End quote. So, in a country like Bangladesh, the communities are at risk due to rising sea levels, and the government has a clear idea of how to protect them, but whether or not they have the financial capabilities to do so will vary from country to country.